नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 3-3 लोकेस्मिन् विविधा निष्ठा, अ स्टडी बाय एस एल अभ्यंकर, मुंबई, शुक्रवासरे, November 6th, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namanavakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitam Rutavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvamanusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshini. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. श्री भगवान उवाच लोकेस्मिन् द्विविधा निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्ता मया नघ ज्ञानयोगेन सांख्यानां कर्मयोगेन योगिनां। पदच्छेदः। श्री भगवान उवाच लोके अस्मिन् द्विविधा निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्ता मया अनघ ज्ञानयोगेन सांख्यानां कर्मयोगेन योगिनां। वाक्यांशोऽभ्यासः। We have the columns here. Anukramankaha, Avyayaha, Anye Subantaha, Kartrupadiyaha, Karmapadiyaha, Kriyapadiyaha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Anagha Pura Asmin Loke Maya Dvividha Nishtha Prokta Jnana Yogena Sankhyanam Nishtha Prokta Karma Yogena Yoginam Nishtha Prokta. Vakyamshashah Padabhyasascha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Anagha. Shri Bhagavan said, A.U. Anagha, sinless. Anagha, an plus agha. Na aghaha yasya saha anaghaha. Aghaha, papam. Anaghaha, sinless. Maya, by me, pura, long ago. Asmin, in this loke, world, dvividha, twofold, nishtha, contention, prokta, was spoken about. Nishtha, position, condition, state. Tesham nishtha tu ka Krishna. This is again from Bhagavad Gita 17.1. Basis, foundation, fixity, fixedness, steadiness. Mano nishtha shunyam brahmati chakimapya likhati cha. In Malvikagnimitra. Devotion or application, close attachment, belief, firm adherence, faith, Shastreshu Nishtha. Lokesmin Dividha Nishtha Pura Prokta Managa. This same shloka has been quoted. Excellence, skill, proficiency, perfection, conclusion, end, termination. Shrunucharitam Parthivendrasya Yatha Nishthangatascha Saha. This is from Mahabharata. Atyarudhir bhavati mahatam apyamabhramshanishta. This is from Sheshupal Veda. So there are many meanings. I have blocked some of them, thinking that they are not relevant here. So additional meaning is fixed or certain knowledge, certainty, nishtha. Sankhyanam nishtha jnana yogena. Sankhyanam, Sankhya Visheshanam, Atra Pullingam, Shashti Bahuvachanam. Sankhyanam asya asti iti Sankhya. Note 2-55 Kya Prakathane Adadihi Parasmaipadi Sakarmakaha on it, to explain, to make famous, to elocute. Hence, Sankhya, to deliberate and explain, to delineate properly and comprehensively. In turn, Sankhya is one who delineates properly and comprehensively. Sankhya, Sankhyam, name of one of the 6 systems of Hindu philosophy, attributed to the sage Kapila. This philosophy is so called because it enumerates 25 tattvas or true principles, and its chief object is to effect the final emancipation of the 25th Tattva, that is the Purusha or soul, from the bonds of this worldly existence, the fetters of phenomenal creation, by conveying a correct knowledge of the 24 other tattvas and by properly discriminating the soul from them. It regards the whole universe as a development of an inanimate principle called Prakriti, while the Purusha is altogether passive and simply a looker on. It agrees with the Vedanta in being synthetical and so differs from the analytical Nyaya or Vaisheshika. But its great point of divergence from the Vedanta is that it maintains two principles in which the Vedanta denies. Principles which the Vedanta denies, and that it does not admit God as the creator and controller of the universe, which the Vedanta affirms. Sankhyameva Kapiladhishchitam. Sankhya, a follower of the Sankhya philosophy. Jnana Yogena Sankhanam, again, same shloka has been quoted. Jnana Yogena, Jnana Yoga, Pullingam, Trutiya, Ekvachanam. Jnanena Yoga, iti Jnana Yoga. Yoga, Yuj, Bhavada, Ughay, Kutvam. Joining, uniting, union, junction, combination. So different meanings. Mode, manner, course, means. Jnana Vijnana Yogena Karmanam Uddharan Jataha. Then some other meanings I have dropped, blocked. Fitness, propriety, suitableness, yoga. An occupation, a work, business, that also is yoga. Endeavor, zeal, diligence, assiduity. Jnanam ekasthamacharye, jnanam yogascha pandave. Indriyanam jaya yogam samatishtet divanisham. Gaining, acquiring, acquisition. Balasya yogaya bala pradhanam. Fixing, putting on, practice. Satyena rakshate dharmo, vidya yogena rakshate. Rule, precept, yoga. Dependence, relation, regular order or connection. Dependence of one word on another. So many meanings. Deep and abstract meditation, concentration of the mind, contemplation of the Supreme Spirit, which in yoga philosophy is defined as Chitta Vritti Nirodhaha, Sa Brahma Yoga Yuktatma Sukhamakshayam Ashnute. The system of philosophy established by Patanjali, which is considered to be the second division of the Sankhya philosophy, but is practically reckoned as a separate system. Ekam Sankhyancha Yogancha ya Pashyate Sapashyate. The chief aim of the yoga philosophy is to teach the means by which the human soul may be completely united with the Supreme Spirit and thus secure absolution. And deep abstract meditation is laid down as the chief means of securing this end. Elaborate rules being given for the proper practice of such yoga or concentration of mind. So many different meanings of yoga. Yoginam, Nishtha Karma Yogena. Yoginam, Yogin, Visheshanam. Atra Pullingam, Shashti Bahuvachanam. Yogin, adjective. Yuj Ginun, Yoga Iniva. Practicing yoga. A contemplative saint, a devotee, an ascetic. Atmaupamyena sarvatra samam pashyati yordana sukham va yadi va dukkham sayogi paramo mataha. Definition of yogi. Yogi paramo mataha. See the 6th adhyaya integral. The follower of the yoga system of philosophy. Karma yogena, karma yoga, pullingam, trutiya ekvachanam. Karmana yoga iti karma yoga. Trutiya tatpurusha. Shankara Bhashye, in the elucidation by Shankaracharya, Loke asmin शास्त्रार्थानुष्ठान अधिकृतानां त्रैवर्णिकानां द्विविधा द्विप्रकारा निष्ठा स्थिति अनुष्ठेय तात्पर्यम् पुरा पूर्वं सर्गादौ प्रजाः सृष्ट्वा तासाम् अभ्युदय निःश्रेयस प्राप्ति साधनं वेदार्थ संप्रदायम् आविष्कुर्वता प्रोक्ता मया सर्वज्ञेन ईश्वरेण हे अनघ अपाप तत्र का सा द्विविधा निष्ठा इत्याह तत्र ज्ञानयोगेन ज्ञानमेव योगः तेन सांख्यानाम् आत्मानात्म विषय विवेक विज्ञानवतां ब्रह्मचर्याश्रमादेव कृतसन्यासानां वेदांत विज्ञान सुनिश्चितार्थानां परमहंस परिव्राजकानां ब्रह्मण्येव अवस्थितानां निष्ठा प्रोक्ता कर्मयोगेन कर्म एव योगः कर्मयोगः तेन कर्मयोगेन योगिनां कर्मिणां निष्ठा प्रोक्ता इत्यर्थः यदि च एकेन पुरुषेण एकस्मै पुरुषार्थाय ज्ञानं कर्म च समुच्चित्य अनुष्ठेयं भगवता इष्टम् उक्तं वक्ष्यमाणं वा गीतासु वेदेषु च उक्तं कथमिह अर्जुनाय उपसन्नाय प्रियाय विशिष्ट भिन्न पुरुषकर्तृके एव ज्ञानकर्मनिष्ठे ब्रूयात् यदि पुनः अर्जुनः ज्ञानं कर्म च द्वयं श्रुत्वा स्वयमेवानुष्ठास्यति अन्येषां तु भिन्नपुरुषानुष्ठेयतां वक्ष्यामि इति मतं भगवतः कल्पेत तदा रागद्वेषवान् अप्रमाणभूतो भगवान् कल्पितः स्यात् तच्च अयुक्तं तस्मात् कयापि युक्त्या न समुच्चयो ज्ञानकर्मणोः यत् अर्जुनेन उक्तं कर्मणो जायस्त्वं बुद्धेः तच्च स्थितम् अनिराकरणात् तस्याश्च ज्ञाननिष्ठायाः सन्यासिनामेव अनुष्ठेयत्वं भिन्नपुरुषानुष्ठेयत्व वचनात् भगवतः एवम् एव अनुमतम् इति गम्यते माञ्च बन्धकारणे कर्मण्येव नियोजयसि इति विषण्णमनसम् अर्जुनं कर्म नारभे इति एवं मन्वानम् आलक्ष्य आह भगवान् न कर्मणामनारम्भात् इति अथवा ज्ञानकर्मनिष्ठयोः परस्परविरोधात् एकेन पुरुषेण युगपत् अनुष्ठातुम् अशक्यत्वे सति इतरेतरान् अपेक्षयोः एव पुरुषार्थहेतुत्वे प्राप्ते कर्मनिष्ठाया ज्ञाननिष्ठा प्राप्तिहेतुत्वेन पुरुषार्थहेतुत्वं न स्वातन्त्र्येण ज्ञाननिष्ठा तु कर्मनिष्ठोपायलब्धात्मिका सति स्वातन्त्र्येण पुरुषार्थहेतुः अन्यानपेक्षा इति एतम् अर्थं प्रदर्शयिष्यन् आह भगवान्. This is a long commentary elucidation by Shankaracharya. Very difficult to make sense out of it with such long winding sentences. So let us go to Anvayartha. Shri Bhagavan Vacha. Shri Bhagavan said, Anagha, A you sinless, asmin in this loke world, dvividha, two types of nishtha contentions, prokta, spoken about, maya, by me, pura, long ago. Sankhyanam, of those who delineate properly and comprehensively, nishtha, their contention is jnana yogena, about union with the Supreme by pursuit of knowledge. Yoginam, of the ascetics, nishtha, their contention is karma yogena, about union with the Supreme by being active. Chando Vishleshanam. Lokesmin vividha nishtha. Ashtakshani. Vidha nishtha. Because of stha, ni also gets dve matre. Etesham matraha eka dve dve. Pura proktam yanagha. Ashtakshani. Mayana. Etesham matraha eka dve eka. Jnana yogena sankhyanam. Ashtakshani. न सांख्या एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे कर्मयोगेन योगिनाम् अष्टाक्षराणि न योगी एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी मेंशन हियर is about two schools of thought toward the common goal of union with the Supreme. One of Jnana Yoga and the other of Karma Yoga. The words Rishi and Muni seem to be synonymous. Maharshi Vyasa is also mentioned as Vyasa Muni. But taking the context of the two schools of thought, I wonder whether Rishi belongs to the Karma Yoga school and Muni belongs to Jnana Yoga school. Shankar Bhashyam seems to dwell on this shloka to quite some length. But reading and studying it will become a bit too long, even from the point of view of studying Sanskrit there. I may rather skip that. In Maharashtra, there is great respect for three saints. Sant Jnaneshwar, obviously an advocate of Jnana Yoga. Sant Ramdas, an advocate of Karma Yoga. Sant Tukaram, an advocate of Bhakti Yoga. Curiously, Bhakti is very much endorsed by both Sant Jnaneshwar and Sant Ramdas. Eminently, Sant Mirabai was an ardent devotee of Sri Krishna and stayed steadfast in her bhakti, devotion, and survived many ordeals only because of her devotion. The most shining example of undeterred devotion is of Bhakta Prahlad, son of the demon king Hiranyakashipu. The ISKCON, International Society of Krishna Consciousness, started by Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, also appeals to be a movement in the Bhakti school. That leaves one wondering whether Bhakti Yoga should be considered as a sampradaya, sect, than an independent school of philosophical thought. Bhakti is said to be of 9 ways. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam, Atmanivedanam. There are two acknowledged epitomes of the 9 ways of, there are acknowledged epitomes of the 9 ways of Bhakti. For example, Shravanam as by Parikshit, Kirtanam as by Shukadev, Smaranam as by Prahlad, Padasevanam as by Lakshmi, Archanam as by Pruthuraja, Vandanam as by Akrura, Dasyam as by Hanuman, Sakhyam as by Arjuna, and Atmanivedanam as by Raja Balihi. Actually, Bhakti Yoga does not seem to be much different from Karma Yoga because there are a variety of karmani in rendering bhakti. That may be the logic that Gita Rahasya, the commentary on Gita by Lokmanya Tilak, has an alternative title Karma Yoga Shastram, meaning that what is endorsed in Gita is Karma Yoga. All in all, let us accept that Nishtha is Dvividha. But qualifying oneself to be Sankhya or Yogi should be preceded by much deeper understanding of both Jnana Yoga and Karma Yoga. May I preemptively quote, Ekam Sankhyancha Yogancha ya pashyati sa pashyati. Both Sankhya and Yoga are one and the same. He who sees, sees. Maybe it will be good to keep this in mind during all further study of Gita. Shubhamastu.